Hi everyone, this is Momin here from Mount Dynamics, and in this video we will be installing an acrylic case to our Arduino Uno board. So let's get started with it. So let's do the unpacking first, and this product was purchased from Amazon. The purchase link will be shared in the description, and this will cost you around 200 Indian rupees. So let's see what all items do we get. We have clear acrylic case parts, a few screws, nuts and washers. First, what we need to do is peel off the protective paper. So this is how it looks when the protective paper is peeled off. So let's begin to install. So here we begin. The first thing what we have to do is we have to fix the bottom side of the acrylic case to the Arduino board. Before that, we have to fix the one of the side where we power up the Arduino board. That has to be fixed first in the given slots. Then the Arduino has to be aligned exactly where the holes have been found in the Arduino board. You can see the holes over there. It has to be aligned perfectly. Then we have to screw it up. To connect the Arduino Uno board to the bottom plate, we need a shorter screw, a nut, and a translucent washer. After aligning it correctly, we have to make sure that the translucent washer which has been given, that has to be in between the Arduino board and the bottom plate. Okay. You have to make sure that you have a small size star screw, because without that I don't think you'll be able to install the acrylic case to the Arduino board. So one hole has been fixed. So let's fix the second hole now. So the second one is done now. So we'll move on to the third hole and we'll fix the third hole now. Make sure you tied it properly. Yeah, so third one is complete. So let's do the fourth one now. So we are almost done fixing the Arduino board to the bottom panel of the acrylic case. So make sure you tight it well, because once you put the top panel you won't be able to tight it again. So we are done here. As you can see, the washers are in between the Arduino board and the bottom panel of the acrylic case. So now what we have to do is we have to place the sides of the acrylic case to the given slots. So we'll do it now. When all the sides are fixed, now we take the top panel and we see the cutouts there. The cutouts helps us to know which way it has to be fixed. So once it's fixed properly, we'll take the screws and nuts and we will fix it up. Here we won't be needing a washer. We'll do it directly. We'll tighten it up. This fixing of outer panel is much easier than we did it earlier for the fixing of Arduino board to the bottom panel of the acrylic case. So this is the last one. We're tightening up. Yep. So it's done. The installation is complete. If you have found this video helpful, please do subscribe. Thank you.